Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Jake. And you?
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, the sun is shining and the weather is perfect. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and listen to music. And you?
I like to play soccer and watch movies.
Oh, cool. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. What about you?
I love comedy movies. They make me laugh.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. And you?
I love pasta. Italian food is delicious.
Yes, it is. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate ice cream is my favorite.
I like vanilla ice cream.
Do you want to go for coffee later?
Yes. That sounds great.
What time?
How about 3 p.m.?
Perfect. See you at 3 p.m.
See you.
Do you have any pets?
Yes. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, that's nice. What breed is he?
He's a golden retriever. He's very friendly.
That's great. I love dogs.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Oh, I love cats too.
Do you like technology?
Yes. I use my phone a lot.
Me too. I also like computers.
I use my laptop for studying and watching movies.
That's cool. Do you like video games?
A little. I prefer board games.
Nice. Board games are fun, too. What's your favorite season?
I love spring. The flowers are so beautiful.
Yeah. Spring is nice. I like summer.
Summer is fun, but sometimes it's too hot.
True, but I love going to the beach.
Me too. Swimming in the ocean is the best.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world.
Wow, that's amazing. Where do you want to go first?
I want to visit Japan. I love the culture.
Japan is a great choice. I want to visit Italy.
Italy is beautiful. The food there is delicious.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
Me too. It was fun.
Do you want to meet again tomorrow?
Yes. That sounds great.
How about 5 p.m. at the park?
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
See you. Do you like reading books?
Yes. I love reading.
That's great. What's your favorite book?
I really like Harry Potter. Have you read it?
Yes. It's a great story.
I love fantasy books. What about you?
I like mystery books. They are exciting.
Oh, nice. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I like Agatha Christie. Do you work or study?
I study English and work part-time.
That's cool. What's your job?
I work at a coffee shop.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you like it?
Yes. I like talking to people and making coffee.
That's nice. I love coffee. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax and watch movies.
That sounds nice. Do you go out sometimes?
Yes. Sometimes I go to the mall with my friends.
Cool. Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I also love just walking around and eating ice cream.
That's a great way to spend the weekend. Have you ever tried extreme sports?
Oh, but I think it's exciting.
I tried surfing once. It was fun.
Wow. I would love to try it someday.
You should. It's a great experience.
Do you like skydiving?
I have never tried it, but it looks amazing.
Yes. It must be incredible to fly like that.
When you were a child, what did you want to be?
I wanted to be a teacher.
That's awesome. Do you still want to be a teacher?
Maybe. I love helping people learn.
That's great. I wanted to be a pilot.
A pilot? That's so cool. Do you still want to?
Not really, but I still love airplanes. Do you like to travel?
Yes. I love traveling.
That's great. Have you ever been to another country?
No, but I really want to.
Where would you like to go?
I would love to visit France.
Oh, nice. Paris is beautiful.
Yes. I want to see the Eiffel Tower, yes.
Do you like technology?
I use my phone and computer every day.
Me too. What apps do you use the most?
I use Instagram and YouTube a lot. And you?
I use YouTube too. I love watching videos.
Me too. I also like learning new things. Online.
Do you have a pet?
Yes. I have a cat.
That's cool. What's its name?
Her name is Luna. She is very cute.
I love cats. They are so funny.
Yes. She always plays with my shoes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
That's early. Do you like waking up early?
Not really, but I have to.
Me too. I prefer sleeping late.
Same here. But I feel better when I wake up early.
What kind of music do you like?
I love pop music.
Nice. Who is your favorite singer?
I really like Aretha Franklin.
Oh, cool. She has great songs.
Yes. Do you like pop music?
Yes. But I also like rock music.